Hello 6th standard students. Today we will discuss about the lesson linear equations. So we have understood about the introduction to algebra. So the next lesson related to the algebra, it is the linear equation. What is a equation? What is an equation? A statement of equality which contains the literal numbers, that is the variable, is called an equation. A statement of equality means the left hand side, right hand side, they are equal sign है. Introduction to algebra में सिर्फ you have learnt about the expressions. Okay, so here the equation means a statement of equality which contains the literal numbers, that is the variables. So like an example, y plus 4 is equal to 9, x squared minus 1 is equal to 8. There is LHS, RHS and the numbers are there and the variables are there. Then it is called as a equation. Now what is a linear equation? The lesson is linear equation. So what is meant by linear equation? An equation in which the power of the literal number, that is the variable, is 1. So in this, which is the variable? 1. Here x. Here the power is 1, but here the power is 2. Okay. Now here in a linear equation, always the power of the variable is 1. Example, 3x plus 2 is equal to 9. X ka power 1. Here 2 into x plus 3. 2 bracket open x plus 3. Again the x, what is the power? 1. So when the power is not written, that means it is understood 1. So then it is called as a linear equation. It is a equation, but the power of the variable is 1. Then we say linear equation. Now converting a statement into an equation. So the statement is given, convert it into an equation. 4 added to a number x. There is a number x. 4 added to a number x is equal to 9. 4 added to a number x is equal to 9. Now 3 times a number y. 3 times a number y means 3 into y is equal to 12. That means what? See, this is first you are introduced for the first time. That is why I am writing like this. 3 times 1 means 3 into y. But directly, how will you write? 3y is equal to 12. Now, coming to the worksheet 1, what are the two sides of an equation called? So, the equation has got a left hand side and the right hand side. Is equal to sign के left side को बोलते हैं left hand side. Left hand side, that is what? LHS. And the right hand side, that means what? Is equal to sign के left or right. So LHS and RHS. Now in a linear equation, what is the power of the variable? It is here only we have seen. What is the power of the variable? It is 1. Now encircle the linear equations. इसमें देखो कौन सा लीनियर इक्वेशन. लीनियर इक्वेशन का मतलब क्या है? द वेरिएबल मतलब जो भी अल्फाबेट दिया गया उसका पावर 1 रहने का. इज इट? यस, है ना. p का पावर 1. 2x प्लस 3, x का पावर 1. यस. नाउ थर्ड, x squared plus 1 is equal to 5. x का पावर 2 तो नहीं. x by 3 is equal to 7. X का power 1. Yes. Now x cube minus 1 is equal to 9. X का power 3. So no. 2x minus 5 is equal to x minus 3. इधर भी x का power 1, इधर भी x का power 1. So yes. Hope you understood. So encircle the linear equations. Now coming to the question number 4. Separate the LHS and RHS of the following equation. बहुत ईजी है. इज इक्वल टू साइन के लेफ्ट में LHS, राइट में RHS. सो इसमें y माइनस 3 LHS, 9 RHS. नेक्स्ट 2x प्लस 1 LHS, 5 RHS. इधर y by 3 LHS, 9 RHS. 5y minus 1 LHS, 9 minus 2y RHS. Hope everyone understood. Now coming to the write the statement into an equation. 3 added to a number x. 3 added to a number x is means is equal to 5. 3 added to a number x is equal to 5. A number y increased by 6. Increased means plus by 6 is equal to 9. A number y increased by 6. Increased means plus. So y plus 6 is equal to 9. 2 subtracted from a number x. 2 subtracted from a number x is equal to 10. 2 subtracted from a number x is equal to 10. That is why x minus 2 is equal to 10. Twice a number p. Twice means 2 times. A number p is equal to 12. Twice a number p is equal to 12. 2p is equal to 12. 15 less than a number. 15 less than a number a. 15 कम है a से. So it is not 15 minus a, it is a minus 15 is equal to 7. It is a 15 less than a number. 15 कम है, इसके लिए a minus 15. So you have to be careful here. Is equal to 7. 2/3 a number x. 2/3 means 2 by 3 of x. x बीच में आएगा is 5. 2/3 a number x is equal to 5. 3 times a number x. 3 times a number x is 3x. Decreased by means minus 1 is 4. 3 times a number x is 3x. Decreased by 1 means minus 1 is equal to 4. So 3x minus 1 is equal to 4. Now coming to question number H. It is 6 times a number y. 6 times a number y. It is 6y is equal to 3 more than the number itself. 3 more than the number itself. 6 times a number y is 6y is means is equal to 3 more than the number itself. What is the number? Y. 3 more matlab plus 3. So it is 6y is equal to y plus 3. Now 5 less than 1/3 a number z. 5 less than 1/3 a number z. That is 1/3z minus 5 is 5. 5 less than 1/3 a number z. 1/3 a number z is 1/3z. 5 less than, so it is minus 5 is equal to 5. 2 times the sum of number x and 3. So here you have to put the bracket. If you don't put, the answer is wrong. 2 times the sum. Sum means plus sum of number x and 3 is equal to 14. So don't write 2 times x plus 3. It will be 2 times x increased by 3. But it is 2 times the sum of x and 3. So that is why you have to put the bracket. 2 bracket open x plus 3 is equal to 14. Okay. Now coming to the next worksheet 2. Before that, it is solving an equation by taking different values. So it is solving the equation means what? Finding the value of the variable. Whatever variable is there, उसका value find out करने को बोलते हैं solving the equation. So इसमें अलग अलग method है. First method is by taking different values. So ये कैसे होगा? 2x is equal to 10. Now if we take x is equal to 1, 2x, x के जगह में 1 डालो, 2 into 1 is equal to 2. अगर हम x is equal to 2 लेंगे, 2x is equal to 2 into x का value 2 डालो. So 2 2s are 4. Now if x is equal to 3, मतलब 2x is equal to x के जगह में 3 डालो, 2 3s are 6. If x is equal to 4, 2x is equal to 2 into 4, 2 4s are 8. If x is equal to 5, 2x is equal to 2 into 5 is equal to 10. मतलब अभी इधर राइट हैंड साइड क्या है? 10. सो कौन सा वैल्यू x में डालोगे तो आपको राइट हैंड साइड का वैल्यू मिला? इट इज x इज इक्वल टू 5. तो फर्स्ट में नहीं, सेकेंड में नहीं, थर्ड में नहीं, फोर्थ में नहीं, फिफ्थ में. अगर 6 डालोगे तो 2 6 12. इट वोंट. सो x का वैल्यू एक ही आएगा, दैट इज 5. So if we put x is equal to 5, then only you will get the RHS. The equation will be equal, isn't it? LHS is equal to RHS. So like that we have to see what is the value of x. So it is the solving the equation by taking different values. Usually this method is not used, but you have to know, okay, what is the value of x. Now 10y is equal to 80. If we take y is equal to 6, whether it will be yes or no. So check whether given variable can solve the equation. मतलब जो भी वैल्यू दिया गया है वो परफेक्ट है या नहीं ए इक्वेशन के लिए, वो देखने का. अभी 10y लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में 10y है, तो अभी y का वैल्यू 6 डालकर देखो. 10 into 6 is equal to 60. Is it equal to 80? No, it is not equal to 80. So answer will be what? It is no. In the next, b plus 5 is equal to LHS में जो भी द वेरिएबल है उसको वैल्यू डालो, देखो RHS का ही आंसर आता है या नहीं। अभी b इज इक्वल टू 4 बोले हैं, मतलब क्या है, b के जगह में 4 डालो और प्लस 5, कितना आया 9। इज इट इक्वल टू द RHS? यस, है ना, इधर इक्वेशन में जो दिया है वही मिला, सो इट इज S. The value whatever is given, that is correct. Now p minus 8 is equal to 5. So p is equal to minus 13. So p minus 8 is equal to, p की जगह में minus 13 डालो, फिर minus 8, minus 13 minus 8 कितना आया minus 21, है ना। 8 plus 3 11, 1 plus 1 2, minus 11 आया, क्यों, क्योंकि दोनों सेम साइन है तो सम देखने का। सो इज इट 5? नो, इट इज नॉट इक्वल टू 5, दैट इज वाई p cannot be equal to minus 13. Hope everyone is understanding. वैल्यू डालो, देखो इक्वेशन में RHS वही है या नहीं, उसके हिसाब से yes or no लिखने का। Now coming to the question number D, it is a y by 3 is equal to minus 1. So write y by 3 is equal to, y के जगह में कितना डालने का, minus 3 by 3, 3 ones are 3 ones are, that means minus 1. RHS is minus 1. So this is S. Whatever value is given is correct. Now question E, 3z is equal to, इधर z का वैल्यू 2 दिया है, मतलब 3 into 2 is equal to 6. Is it equal to 12? No, not equal to 12. So the answer is no. देखो आपको टेक्स्ट बुक में ये वाला कॉलम नहीं दिया है, सिर्फ इक्वेशन, वैल्यू ऑफ द वेरिएबल, यू हैव टू टेल yes or no. But for that you have to check. So that solution I am writing it here and the answer is written. Now a minus 4 is equal to 5. A minus 4 is equal to, find a is equal to 1 minus 4, कितना आता है 1 minus 4 plus 1 minus 4, different sign, so you have to subtract. Bigger number is having minus, that is 4 minus 1 is 3. So but here it is 5, not equal to 5. So it is a, answer is no. Next, a plus 4 is equal to, a plus 4, a का वैल्यू दिया है minus 1 plus 4. Now how much it will be, minus 1 plus 4, different sign, बड़ा नंबर का साइन प्लस है, 4 minus 1 3, इधर 5 है, not equal to 5. Again the answer is no. Now 2x plus 1 is equal to 2x, 2 into x is 3 plus 1, that is 2 3s are 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. RHS में 7 है ना, means what, it is yes. Now 2x minus 1, 2 into x का वैल्यू 4 minus 1, that is 2 4s are 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. Now Is it equal to minus 9? No, not equal to minus 9. So the answer is no. Now 3x is equal to 3 into x is minus 5. 3 5s are 15 और साइन इज माइनस. इधर RHS क्या है? minus 15 is equal. That means answer is S. Hope everyone understood. So it is LHS में जो भी एक्सप्रेशन है उसमें वैल्यू डालो, चेक करो RHS में आंसर सेम आता है या नहीं. अगर सेम आया है तो यस, नहीं है तो नो. सो जो भी वेरिएबल दिया है उसका वैल्यू दिया है, उसको डालकर उसको सॉल्व करने का और चेक करने का. दैट्स ऑल. Hope everyone understood till here. It is a worksheet 2 we have completed. Okay then, bye. Thank you.